Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a lean Python service. Create a virtualenv, pin dependencies, and pick Flask or Fast API. Once done, scaffold a simple REST endpoint that returns JSON and validate your request/response schema. Make sure to include cores early so Flutter can call the API, otherwise you'll hit blocked requests. You should run the server locally and test with curl or postman to confirm the endpoints behave as expected before moving to client integration. Now you harden and prepare the API for consumption by Flutter. Implement authentication. JWT is often easiest. Fast API has built-in helpers, while Flask needs extensions. Validate inputs and return clear HTTP status codes so the app can handle errors cleanly. Enable logging and paginate responses to avoid huge payloads. Once your API is stable, expose it securely for device testing using HTTPS or a tunnel like ngrok. You now implement the client. Create Dart data models and use HTTP or DO to call endpoints. Map JSON to typed models and handle async with future or stream. Once done, add retries, caching, and graceful offline handling so the app remains responsive. Test end-to-end flows including authentication, token refresh, and file uploads. If things go wrong, check CORS responses, expired tokens, certificate/TLS issues, and schema mismatches. Those 4 are the most common causes of failures and are quick to diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.